Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will prepare your device carefully before installing Android 16 Beta. Back up your device fully using Google One or local storage before installing. Charge the phone to at least 50% and keep the charger nearby during setup. Ensure your device model is compatible with Android 16 Beta and has at least 50% battery. Enable developer options and confirm you can unlock the bootloader if required. Note the current Android build and save any important passwords externally for ease of recovery. Enroll in the Android Beta program or download the official beta image for your model. If using a manual image, transfer it to your computer and connect the device with a USB cable. Use ADB sideload or the OTA update from settings to install Android 16 Beta. Follow on-screen prompts exactly and accept any required permissions or updates. Keep the phone plugged in and avoid interrupts during the 20 to 40-minute update. Reboot the device when prompted and confirm the build number shows Android 16 Beta. Explore new features and test daily apps while collecting feedback for developers. Use the feedback app to report crashes, including steps and log attachments. Take screenshots and record precise reproduction steps for any bug you find. Factory reset will erase data. Keep backup copies of at least 15 GB externally. If you need to revert, unlock bootloader and flash the previous stable image following official instructions. After reverting, restore your data from the backups and verify that essential apps and accounts are functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.